Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Dazola Designed. You guys, sorry for the lighting. You guys know, if you've seen my videos before, I'm a big lighting person. It's really dark and really dreary outside. It's been raining so much, and it's just, let me adjust this really quick. It's just super dark. So bear with me on that, okay? Today I have a lot to talk to you about. I do have this fabulous yarn giveaway. It is a you pick yarn giveaway, and you guys know what that means. You get to pick your own yarn. I have 4 different styles of the Herrschners Afghan yarn. Really, really gorgeous colors. I actually forgot I had these, so I'm going to give those away along with a fabulous crochet hook set. I just took them out of the wrapping. Comes with all the crochet hooks, size 2 to 6 millimeters. Plus you have the stitch markers, plus your yarn needles. So fabulous. And then I tried to get this out. I put my yarn on top of the magazine. I'm subscribed to Simply Crochet magazine. I gotta calm down. I drank so much coffee today. I'm like totally, So you guys will also get, they send these edits. So you guys will also get this, and we'll go through it here in 1 second. I want to talk to you guys really quick about my project. I am still working on the green sweater. A lot of you guys are asking me about that. That is not, it will get finished. I just have put it on hold because I really am super inspired with this. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. Here we go. This is this is my current project. Let me scoot this up. It's the 4 granny squares. So gorgeous. So this is going to be 1 panel. I do like the bigger granny square. I just added an extra row. So I will be doing that, and I like the 3 with the 3 pink and the 1 white. I think that looks so cute. This will be one side, okay? And this will be the other side. So this is just a regular granny square. Same color theme. I have to calm down. I'm like, I don't know why I'm so excited. I'm just like, I'm so excited about this project though, you guys. If you guys have seen my other sweater, I call it the garden sweater. It's reversible. So I make my projects reversible. And I just thought of this on a whim. I really, really like this. I made a bunch of heart granny squares in all the different colors, but I really, really like the pink and the black. And then I just thought I'd do a contrast with the white, because then I could do this granny square on the back with all of these gorgeous colors. So if you guys do granny squares, it's a super easy project and it goes fast. It will go fast. If you guys have never worked with granny squares before, and if you've not seen my tutorials before, I do go slow, and they're pretty easy to follow, I think. So be on the lookout for that. I will post updates on here. YouTube is really on everyone to do shorts now, so I have to post those at least every day or every other day. So I really like them too, because it's like TikTok. You just make a quick 15-second, 30-second video, and this would be about what I'm currently working on. So be on the lookout for that. And if you guys have seen my channel, and the reason why I buy all this yarn at one time is because I find great deals on yarn. And when I do find great deals, I like to tell you all about them, okay? So I was on Joann this morning, and if you go to Big Twist Yarn, just look up Big Twist Yarn. They are having a sale. I know the Big Twist value was on sale, but they are having a awesome sale on the Big Twist Cuddle Yarn, you guys. It's usually $12 a skein. It's only $5 for 1 skein. I did make a project with this. Each block is a skein of yarn. This is the Big Twist Cuddle. It's so gorgeous. It's super, super soft. This is a scarf that I made. I do have the tutorial for this, you guys. I will link it up above. And also, if you like my hearts, I forgot to do this. You like my hearts, I will also link that above. All the links will also be down below in the comment section. But this is the cuddle yarn in the multicolor, and then this is the cuddle in black. Gorgeous yarn, super soft. I have washed this and it remains soft. I've made many blankets, baby blankets with this yarn, and it is just awesome, you guys. And it's only $5 a skein. So check it out on, I almost said on Amazon, on Joann. And look at this, the big, I didn't even see this. 2 for $5. This is a great yarn too. I love this yarn. I just noticed that, oh my God, I have to put in a huge order. I love this yarn because it's super, super inclusive. It has the rainbow colors, the LGBTQ colors. It has the trans colors, and it also has the lesbian colors, which I'm super excited about. I did not know until my daughter, I actually have this yarn and I'm going to make something with it. This yarn is absolutely gorgeous. I just realized that it's a 2 for $5 doorbuster. But why doesn't it say doorbuster right? Oh, it does. 2 for $5 Big Twist Living. I just saw that. Wow. Super, super exciting, you guys. I have to buy a bunch of that too. So I just thought I'd let you know, whenever I see great deals, this is a spectacular deal. I have to let you know about it. So go check it out. I think it's only going to be through the weekend. But check it out. And yeah, I just thought I'd tell you about that. Let's get to this giveaway. I haven't given away a crochet hook in a really long time, and I kind of like, I guess I just forgot about it. I don't know. Last year, you know, if you guys were with me last year was a really effed up year. I mean, for lack of a better term there. It was just very trying and very hard, but we are in a new year and it's really awesome. So just to let you guys know, I do have 6 skeins of each of these color. They are in a huge box and I tried to dig them all out, but if you don't see 6 skeins here, just keep in mind that I do have 6 skeins of each, okay? This is Herrschners Afghan yarn. You can find this at Herrschners.com for an amazing price. I think this is only like $2 a skein, which is ridiculous for the quality and the gorgeousness of the yarn. It's super, super soft, and it's just awesome. Each skein is, well, wait. Before I talk about the yarn, I want to talk about what I'm giving away with the yarn, okay? So this giveaway includes the hook set, the Simply Crochet edits, and you pick 2 different colors of the Afghan yarn. We'll get to that in a second, okay? So this crochet hook set is awesome. I got it on Amazon. I will have the link up above if you guys would like to order it. It's super inexpensive. It's like $10, but these are the hooks that I use. I use Clover and I use Tulip. It's a Japanese brand, but you guys, I use these too. I mean, they're awesome. So you get a size 2mm to 6mm. You get the yarn needles and you get the stitch markers plus this really, really cute, I almost said purse, really, really cute bag here. Awesome, awesome. You also get bag. It's a pouch, like a pencil pouch. You also get this gorgeousness. Simply Crochet is a magazine from the UK, and it is, they always send out, and this is called edits. So it's like an extra thing, an extra little magazine for, oh my God, it's so beautiful, filled with projects. Look at how gorgeous this is. I have so many of these. It's ridiculous. And again, I used to give them away. Look at how cute that is. I'm going to start again right now. So one thing you have to notice if you win this is it is in UK terms. So just keep that in mind. But it's really, really beautiful. And look at how, I love that. With different colors. Even that's gorgeous with different colors. Wow. Super, super beautiful. So you get this included. Hold on, I'm getting text messages from my daughter. In the giveaway. Plus, you guys get to pick your yarn, okay? So these are the colors, and let me tell you a little bit about Herrschners Afghan yarn. Herrschners Afghan yarn is so delicate and super, super soft. Each skein is 100% acrylic. It's a 2 weight, and it's 220 yards of gorgeousness. This color is Seascape. Really, really pretty. Greens, purple, light blue, and teal. I love them all. This color is Wild Flowers. Gorgeous with the pinks. This is like a pinky red. You might not be able to tell from the lighting right now, but it is more of a pink color than red. And then you have teal, lavender, and of course the light pink. I love this one. This one's my favorite. This one is Jelly Beans. So beautiful and fun. This is great for spring and summer. This would make a cute tank top or like a summer top. Oh my God. You have your like a melon color, orange, yellow, more like a kind of like a, what color would that be? Like a nectarine, peachy yellow. And then the teal with the green, super beautiful. Did I say the name of that? Yes, Jelly Beans. And then you have, what color is this? Blooms. Gorgeous pastels, really, really cute for Easter projects. The lavenders, purples, again, that, what is the color? Like a light cantaloupe color and like a coral color with the green, really, really pretty. So what do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Thank you for listening to me today. I'm kind of, I drank too much coffee. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much to all of my subscribers. Oh, if you guys want some bracelets, check out my Etsy page. I forgot to say that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And then all you have to do is tell me what two, you can pick two. So, I'm sorry, pick your favorite 2 colors, and each color has 6 skeins, okay? So tell me down below the name of the colors. You guys can pick 2 colorways for a total of 12 skeins of yarn. Plus, you get the crochet hook set. Plus, you get the Simply Crochet little crochet magazine. Wow. Those are the giveaways that I used to give. Do you guys remember that? Thank you so much, you guys. I'm like too much caffeine and way scatterbrained right now. Thank you so much for watching my channel, you guys. Thank you so much for listening to me babble. I hope you guys are having a good weekend, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.